Well, hello and welcome back to Hear the Beats. So today we are gonna be cooking some jollof rice and the Sierra Leone Jollof rice. That's what we're gonna cooking today. And these are all my ingredients. So if you're new to this channel, go on and subscribe because you're about to see the best jollof rice ever. So guys, our first step is to fry our fish, and you can do whatever meats of your choice, but I choose seafood. You want to be healthy. So guys, for the ingredients, you're gonna find it on the description box, so no need to worry. So just follow me and let's cook our jollof rice, okay? Guys, I just like the look of this stew. So I'm just going to put my fish in the stew because my fish is already seasoning, guys. But then, um, on all serious note though, what is your favorite jollof rice that you've tried? Is it Sierra Leone jollof rice? Cheryl, this is our jollof rice. So just know that if you watch to the end, you are going to be cooking yourself some good or the best jollof rice ever. Because this is looking yummy. I can't wait to taste it myself. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.